So how do we survive during the holidays financially? So we just had Black Friday and Cyber Monday behind us. A lot of clients might have overindulged, and with Christmas around the corner, it puts severe pressure on your finances. So here with a couple of tips in terms of how to survive December and that very, very difficult January. The first starting point is never to spend money that you don't have during the holidays. I know it's very easy just to pull out the credit card and spend money with the idea that you'll deal with the problem at a later stage. Just be very, very careful for that. The easiest way to solve that problem is to draw up a budget and give yourself allocated amounts of money to spend during the festive season. The second most important part is please remember that when you give a gift, give something of lasting value. All too often we fall into the trap that we want to have everything that's materialistic, but ultimately you don't want to give a gift that in a month or 2 months will not be used. So rather put more effort into a lasting gift that you know will be benefiting to the person that you give it to. The third thing that you can do is focus more on spiritual versus material aspects. So sometimes just spending time with your kids is much more valuable than giving them a toy that will break down in 6 weeks. So really think in terms of what is valuable, what are your values, and how can you bring that across. Specifically also remember that when you give a gift, it doesn't have to be something specifically like money. Just by helping out at a soup kitchen or spending time with the kids is also something that's very valuable. Another tip that you can give is to give yourself a gift. And when I mention something to give to yourself, make a financial commitment in terms of what things that went wrong during 2017 and things that you will potentially want to change going into the next year. So make a commitment to save more for retirement. Make a commitment to draw up a budget, and very importantly, to stick to it. That way you ensure that 2018 will be a financially better year than the previous year. And lastly, focus on building experiences and memories. As I said, the newest gadget or the toy might not last a year, but when you're old and frail, you'll think back to your happy memories and the experiences you had. So rather invest in experiences and in memories versus materialistic aspects. And with those tips, hopefully you'll be able to survive December and the very difficult January.